Hello and welcome to this brief video tutorial as an overview of a modern mobile web platform. My name is Martin Kellett from a company called Boss Marketing Solutions in the UK. Okay, so just to start the tutorial, as you can see to the header of each page we'll have the company branding, your logo. Being a mobile website, the key ingredient we feel is to make the calls to action very prominent. So at the head of every page we've inserted these three tabs that you can see: call us, text us and email us. Obviously, as they imply, if you hit the call us button it brings up the company's telephone number, and with one press of a button the client's patched straight through to your company telephone system. Alternatively, if they hit the text button it takes them to a text page or a text frame within their mobile that then leads to a dedicated mobile number from the company. Alright, so as you can see, you can have key statement headers and obviously imagery, lots of text, things that describe your business, your services, etc, etc. And as we scroll down the page it gives you some sort of feeling of how the platform performs. This being in the UK on a 3G mobile network, the website behaves itself and moves quite fluidly. Coming down to our case studies, if I click on one of these you'll be able to see that we'll take a look at the recording music band case study, and here you'll see the website opening up on another page relating to our case studies. Here we're representing one of the UK's leading soul bands, Dry as a Bone Soul Family, who approached us to rebrand their websites so that it didn't matter how people visited, whether it was on a desktop device, whether it was on a mobile phone, or whether it was indeed on a tablet, like an iPad or so forth, that it doesn't matter which platform the user's using, the visibility of the website is fully in detail for people to view and see and enjoy. So here we're showing that the websites are fully functional on any platform, and the fact that the band has a new album coming out, or had a new album coming out in September of last year, and we stitched in links like to purchase points like iTunes, Amazon, and in those days HMV in the UK. And scrolling down further you can see that the imagery is very crisp. Although these are proper large scale or high res images, they do actually render quite well on the website. So if I just scroll you down, we're going to have a look at some portals that we can stitch into the website. We embed things like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, on this occasion MySpace, but pretty much any of the social networks can be featured within the website, and we do that in two formats. We do literally clickable links like you see these ones here, but we also embed the Facebook stream or the Twitter stream or the Flickr photographs or the YouTube videos. All of those features can actually be embedded into the website. And if we take a look at the video, it'll just give you an indication to obviously how that works. It just takes a second for the page to load, and we've now got the page that's loaded, just waiting for the video to be streamed in from YouTube, and I think we'll find it's pretty much there. Okay, so here is a video that once the client presses that particular button, the play button, it doesn't actually port them off to YouTube, it keeps them on the site, and when the video is finished they remain on your website. So we're not porting people off to Facebook pages and other pages where they just forget about who they've come from. And finally, obviously there's lots of features that the website can house, like social, blogs, portfolios, case studies, etc, etc. But when we come to the contact us page, which reinforces obviously all the points of contact like the call us buttons, text us buttons and email and so on, there is also a form which people can fill in and request specifics from you. Now we've made our form very simple, just name, email and comments, but you can actually have fields in there, fields of information that is, that can contain some really great detail. So we can design the form according to the complexity that you wish to do. So that's pretty much a quick overview of our web building platform on mobile. Hopefully you've seen enough to give you a gauge that it certainly performs well. If you would require any information from us, please feel free to contact us. You can do so by looking at the web. It's www.boss-marketing.com, and we would be grateful to hear from you and answer any questions or inquiries that you may have. Thanks for your time.